Push Ross to the deep end. Push him back. Push him back.
He can't swim.
Oh, not very well. Oh! He's drowning.
Oh!
I'll let Ross get back on his try to land. End him. End him now.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
No blood. You're good. You okay? Okay. Ron's like
Oh my God. Ross is like a fucking barbarian and gladiator, wielding the chain and ball.
Ross just goes for the knockout blow. Good block! Oh!
Oh! Oh!
You can't
Oh! 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 He's gonna drown! He lost the noodle!
Ground him! Where's Noodles?
Oh no!
Oh, up the head.
Oh, body shots! Oh my God!
Finish him!
Oh.
Those are gross. Looks like I'm having bread.
Oh, here it comes! Oh, it's blocked.
Are you flying, bro? Hell yeah. They're getting in close.
Oh!
Oh, don't freak him out. Don't freak him out.
Round him!
Round the ogre. They can't swim. Yeah, look at, come get me now. What, ogre? You can't swim.
That's what you should have did when you had his sword. You should have put it in the deep end.
That's Tom Smith right there?
No.
No, it's your mom.
You showed him. The mom jumps come from your own brother.
What's that?
You gotta love
getting
him.
close and I can't see anything. You got my finger though. You got me pretty big. Point finger, you got like 9 more. Didn't work. Shit! You do not throw it so high next time, so it explodes over their head. Double noodle attack!
Oh!
Oh!
That was a skull crusher. Oh!
He ended him. Oh shit.
Send him to his eternal resting place.
Gato's gonna get him with the pal driver. Oh!
Block. Oh!
Dude, that was awesome. They went back to back. Like, they were like...
Ross is going for the face shot. He takes the side of the chest. He's like, I don't feel it. Yeah, he is.
Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh!
Oh! He severed his head.
Once stuck on that slope, you're done for. I know. It was pretty awesome. Wow.
Rush tries to fake him out like he's gonna go around and he just gets over the top. Oh!
That's gonna leave
Oh!
back in the belly.
Look at that mark on the side. Look at that mark in the belly. Oh! That was a tricky maneuver. Ross squirted the water out of the end of his noodle into Gato's face.
That's really gay. Just stop getting me wet. Oh.
Gato wielding the purple noodle. Ross the ogre wielding the green noodle. Oh, and
Dan's getting his exercise for the day. Who needs a gym?
Ancient noodle fighting. Ancient Roman noodle fighting. Oh, he's down, and Ross was merciful.
uh-oh.
Oh, it's a new tactic.
Ross goes with the scorpion style.
trying to stab him in the eye there.
The scorpion noodle tactic.
Oh, we got.
Uh-oh. Greco-Roman noodling.
I like the Batman sound effects. Boom!
Pow!
Alright, I'm done.
That was awesome. Gato, El Cat specializing in Greco-Roman noodling.
What's this guy?
And this guy has many tactics, including the scorpion, the over-the-head crusher,
Oh!
and
that was cool.
the ball and chain.
I didn't think it would go off since it hit the